How's it going, guys? Noah down here at Carns Equipment, and what's better than one ATV? Two ATVs. We just traded in two Honda TRX 250s. Awesome machines, both 2008 models. You can see this is the perfect him or her set, or both have two kids they want to get into riding. Get two ATVs and they'll be awesome. One has a winch on it, you can see right there, so if you get in a little bit of trouble, get yourself out of it or help out someone else that does. They're both in great shape for a 2008. Both have great tires on it. You can see they're very well taken care of there. You can see, just look at this. Very, very good shape for a 2008. They both also have FMF exhausts on them. They sound amazing. Great running quads. And this also too has a clutch, but it's a semi-automatic as well. So right here, if you want to use the clutch, you can use that, go through all the gears as normal. Or if you're not comfortable with the clutch yet, it's actually semi-automatic, so you don't have to use it at all. You can just pop it up.